my name is Clara, and this is my Week 2 discussion on Teacher Wonderings. So Teacher Wonders provide a strong foundation for classroom research. My position is an interventionist, and I rove through 4 different grade levels, 4 different classes per grade level, which is 16 classrooms for 30-minute periods. And I'm always constantly wondering, how can I make my teaching effective in those 30-minute periods? So I constantly always ask each teacher for their input, what they think would benefit me as a teacher while they are pulling their intervention groups. And I think that that's very important because I'm trying to clarify my ideas and my thoughts, and by discussing with my peers and my colleagues, they're able to give me some feedback, and sometimes they don't mention it like blatantly, but they kind of give me some ideas, and then from that point I'm able to kind of tweak their suggestions and kind of make it my own. And I feel like that's very important as an educator, because we're always constantly needing to grow and to discover new ways to teach our students in an effective way, especially if there's more than one teacher. As I stated, that I'm always asking questions no matter what. If we're learning new curriculum, if we're learning new concepts, I'm always asking my co-teachers, what is the best way that we can attack this? Or, even with behavior or any kind of and also listening to feedback, because by listening to feedback, you're clarifying what you've already known, and maybe you might also take some new ideas and new thoughts and you can incorporate them into your wonderings. And teachers frame their research by helping them clarify about an idea or a wondering that they've already had. And it also, gives them a little more insight to the question that they're asking, because the literature is always backed up by a lot of research that they've already done. And I think that that's important because, in order for a teacher to have a better idea, they can look at some literature to kind of give them a better picture of what they're trying to ask. And I think sometimes it just leads them to a whole different way. I know I felt like that when I was reading some of the literature review that I found for the articles that I found for my lit review, that I was just thinking, in a smaller sense, and then I was seeing you could use different types of ideas, like, the blended learning classroom, not only just one app, but it could be like blended learning, like as in using technology just as a whole piece, with like half day with using technology and half day direct instruction. And by seeing that, that there are other ways to teach, and there's research to show you that, it's effective, that kind of really helps a teacher keep always wanting to wonder. And I believe that as educators, it's always important to keep wondering and keep asking those questions that are, going to make you push forward as an individual and as a professional to be the best educator that you possibly can be. And that's it. That's my Week 2 discussion on Teacher Wonderings. I hope you guys liked it, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.